making a basic HTML page. Right, so open a new file. Dreamweaver is what I use as the HTML editor. The standard information that's not read and displayed in the browser. It's commented out with this comment here. It's HTML, therefore it's wrapped in HTML tags. The information between the header is things that you can see in the source code but you can't see on the page, the things that are important to Google, such as title tags, very important. But the actual body of the text that's displayed in the browser that we all look at is here. So I'll just insert that slightly. I'll type the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. So if I just save that, I'll put it on, I'm going to have to save it somewhere now, I've done that. So I've saved that and go into split mode. Yeah, it's showing you there the actual page that's been built so far, which is obviously only a line deep. You can put a style tag in, a little bit more advanced, but I'll just put it in just to make it a bit more obvious that that is the page. So let's change the background colour, and I'll change the colour of the text to red. But just for the purpose of this tutorial, the only reason I wanted to do this was just to show a few basics. So you can use like a bold tag, which is just basic HTML. So you wrap that comment in there in the B for bold tag, and then that makes it bold. You can also then underwrap it, wrap it with the underline tag. So that does that. You can use an italic tag as well. Close it. Just open it. Open the italic. So you can do that. But what's particularly going to be handy if you have to use a bit of basic HTML inside one of the website text box is things like a break tag, because you can type whatever you want on different lines and it won't make any difference whatsoever in HTML. It'll just appear on one line. So if you want to actually format that, you'd put a break there and that'll return the U onto a different line, and then if you put like copied and pasted that break tag at the end of each word where you wanted it to return, then it'll work. So that is that. So if you want to put in two spaces in one part, just put another one in there and you'll see a gap appear between on different and lines. If you want to create bullets, then you need to open a UL tag for unordered list, and list 1 is call it bullet 1, Now I'll have another one. Another bullet. Call this for features of products, really. A feature, and then you can obviously save and update, and you can see the bullets appear there. If you want it to be an ordered list, as in 1, 2, 3, you just change that to OL, and it's 1, 2, 3. And then there's different things you can do to get Roman numerals and whatsoever, but basic gist of it is that. What else is basic? Instead of using a style tag, you can use the HTML version. So that's on-page style. A lot of people use off-page style, which is CSS. So they have a .css file linked to it, and they keep it all in a separate file. Keeps it nice and tidy. That's what we do. Or you can use an inline style tag, which is what that is. Or you can use on-page style, where you put all your style, in your header. But going a bit beyond the basics here, just get rid of that for a minute. I'll turn it all black with a white background. So just wanted to show you that if I wanted to make all the bullets red, I could wrap hold on, what's wrong? Doing it like a style tag. So this is just HTML as opposed to inline style. So you can see, just a basic way of controlling the colour. You can just wrap that in an HTML tag, and then you can change the weight and all sorts of things. You can always do a search for popular HTML tags, and there's quite a lot you can play around with. So again, if this was a text box, on the website, so you're adding a product, and in the text box you want to write, "This is a fantastic La-Z-Boy model," or whatever else. Putting a few features, putting a few bullets, you can do all that with basic HTML. You'll notice if you put in information in the text box on the website, then basically it'll just put it all on one line. There'll be no breaks or anything else, and you can use a few basic little tricks to basically make the text come alive and format it how you want. Can't think of anything else, but if I think of anything else, I'll put a link to this video as well with some basic ideas on. All done.